Check this out. In this tiny box is a portable folding stove. Now it's not much to it at all. It's a tiny little metal clamshell device. It unfolds and then you put one of these solid fuel cubes on there. It's mainly designed for emergency, but it's a great little thing to take along on a day trip if you just want a hot cup of coffee. So let's just open up the box here and see what you get. There are some of these solid cube fuels. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the bottom here, this is the folding stove. Not much to it. Looks like it's made of some kind of pressed tin material, but basically it just folds out like so. Set it on a level surface and you break off one of these cubes, set it in the middle and light it. That generates the heat. And basically you get some kind of a pot, put it on top, heat up your water or pour some stew or soup in there and heat that up. And you're good to go. But you know, if you don't want to take the big pot, if you're just heading out on the day, you can actually, if you just take a mug like this and heat it up, and preferable one with a handle like this so you're not going to, you know, burn yourself. But that's really all you need if you want to just, you know, be able to prepare some soup or a coffee or a tea, because everything fits inside this mug. The stove folds up, fits inside, the fuel fits inside. I can put some matches in there. I got a little portable folding spoon I can put in there, and of course I can put a whole bunch of instant coffee inside. Basically take that with me. That's all I need to make myself a nice hot beverage when I'm out on a hike or a camping trip. All right, let's just put this all together, check it out, see how well it works. Let's just take everything out again. Here's a little stove, and what we will do, we'll take one of these little cubes, just push it through the package here. There we go. And it just sets in the center. There's a little indent for it to go there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my mug here, put about a cup worth of liquid in there. Just heat up some water. So I'm going to light this, and then we'll get the timer out, see how long it takes to heat it up, so it's going to be hot enough that I can make myself some instant coffee. So let's get the matches here, and we will light this little cube, okay? And then just hold it down to this cube for a second or two, and it should ignite. As you can see, we have a little flame there. That's going pretty good now. Okay, so we're going to put the mug on top here. I'm just going to get my phone out here with the stopwatch, and we'll just hit the timer and see how long it takes to get some nice hot water there. Well, it's really boiling now. Let's check the timer. 4.5 minutes. That's pretty good. So that's a nice rapid boil. Now, of course, I'm just making instant coffee. I didn't really have to boil it. I could have just maybe after 2 minutes taken it off. But certainly if I'm making something like tea, you want to boil the water. So that's pretty good. I'm just going to pour my coffee in there, stir it up. And there we go. Nice hot cup of instant coffee.